Welcome to episode 4
of Prelude Electrical Gremlins.
That's right! Steven! Look at the camera!
This isn't a gremlin.
What do we got going on, bud?
This isn't a failure. This is just I wired something up and didn't think about all that I was going to need when I did it.
But as usual, I came in and figured it out.
So here we find Steven and John arguing for 30 minutes
It's our natural habitat.
about why the windows don't roll up or down when you click.
It's so complicated that I don't think either one of us could explain it in an orderly nor time-efficient way. It's
We
literally,
still don't know.
We do know. You've got it.
We
in your
have an
head.
idea.
No, you got it in your head why it's not working. It's just a matter of it's very complicated. Well, you see what's going on. You hit your switch, and yeah, you're switching 12 volts, but you're putting that 12 volts back to the ground for everything, which means, I mean, I know it's all switches here, but essentially you remove the ground, and then all your relays on. Yeah.
So let's try that.
I think your car would shut off when you hit your windows right now. Like
Which would be pretty sweet.
If we started your car and hit the window switch, I think your car would shut off.
Do it for the vine and the carbon monoxide poisoning.
Oh, dude, it's already unplugged.
Yeah, it's too late.
That's all it was a bad ground.
It wasn't a bad ground. You were just.
It was just an incorrectly
It was
wired
incorrect
crowd.
ground.
It wasn't.
I was putting 12 volts to
Ground.
every other ground. Yeah.
Huh.
Well, no.
Yeah.
I was putting 12 volts to only the grounds that I've wired. It just so happens that all of those grounds are the grounds to the relays that switch the main power for the car. So we were having some problems.
We learned something today.
We did. We learned that DP-DT switches
No, that's not the switch's fault.
need their own ground.
No. Oh, if you're doing that job, it does.
Yeah, you can't share. I'm not even sharing a ground. That's the thing. It's literally just sharing the other end of the ground.
Yeah.
So it needs its own place to put power.
Mm-hmm.
That's all.
All right, wire it up.
I guess that's why there's so many grounds in a car, and you see them running every which way, is because they have shit like that. A switching ground, and so it has to be its own separate thing. That's why you're like, why are there 10 ground wires running?
Right.
Trunk, and it's
Because there's a constant ground, there's a switching ground, and then that for everything.